Question number 101. Bacterial viruses. A. Infect the bacteria. B. Usually have double-stranded DNA. C. Are also called bacteriophages. D. Lack protein coat. First option, only A is correct. Second, only A and C are correct. Third, only B is correct. Fourth, only D is incorrect. You have to tell out of these four statements A, B, C and D which one are true about the bacterial viruses and which one are false. See here, bacterial viruses are called bacteriophages. They are bacteriophages. So C statement is absolutely correct. A, yes, they infect the bacteria, hence called the bacterial viruses or the bacteriophages. Bacteriophages generally have double-stranded DNA as their genetic material. So B statement is also correct. They also have a capsid or the proteinaceous coat on the outer side. So the D statement is incorrect. By analyzing the option, you can see only D is incorrect. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 102. Mycorrhiza is an association between, first option, roots of higher plants and fungi. Second, algae and fungi. Third, roots of higher plants and algae. Fourth, algae and cyanobacteria. It is very easy question from your NCERT, but this question has been asked many times in your previous exams. What is mycorrhiza? It's a symbiotic association between the roots of higher plants and fungi. Higher plants include gymnosperms as well as angiosperms, and the roots of these plants contain fungi. The association is called mycorrhiza. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 103. Select the incorrect statement about dinoflagellates. First option, they are mostly marine and photosynthetic. Second, the cell wall has stiff cellulosic plates. Third, Goniolix is a red dinoflagellate. Fourth, most of them have single flagellum. Dinoflagellates are protists and they are photosynthetic in nature. First statement is very true that they are mostly marine and they are photosynthetic. Second option, the cell wall has stiff cellulosic plates. Yes, the cell wall has stiff cellulosic plates on the outer side. Third, Goniolix is a red dinoflagellate. Yes, Goniolix is a dinoflagellate which is also called as red dinoflagellate as it multiplies so faster in the sea that it makes the sea appear red in color. The phenomenon is called red tide. So the red tide is due to the red dinoflagellate Goniolix. So this is true. Last one, most of them have single flagellum. No, most of them are biflagellated. Dinoflagellates have 2 flagella, hence they are biflagellated. So this option is correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 104. A unicellular organism which has a gullet, thousands of cilia, 1 macronucleus and 1 micronucleus is put under the group of option number 1, flagellated protozoans. Second, eubacteria. Third, sporozoans. Fourth, ciliated protozoans. If you can understand the question, you can understand that if any organism has a nucleus, it cannot be put under eubacteria, as bacteria lack nucleus completely. They have just nucleoid. So second option is ruled out. Now see, this organism has thousands of cilia. Option number 1 and 3 are also ruled out as flagellated protozoans and sporozoans don't have cilia. So the remaining option is ciliated protozoans. Yes, it can be put under the ciliated protozoans. Why? Because it is unicellular. It is a feature of ciliated protozoans. It has a gullet. True, it has a macro and the micronucleus, which is a feature of paramecium. So the organism is paramecium and it is a ciliated protozoan. So it should be put under the group of ciliated protozoans. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 105. Read the following statements and choose the correct option. Statement A. Diatomaceous earth is formed by the siliceous shells of diatoms. B. Diatoms are microscopic and float passively in water currents. Option 1. Only A is correct. Second, only B is correct. Third, both A and B are correct. Fourth, both A and B are incorrect. If you know about the diatoms are photosynthetic. They have silica in their cell walls, and the cell wall is indestructible due to presence of silica. After the death of diatoms, as cell wall is indestructible, it accumulates over the earth's surface and it constitutes the diatomaceous earth. So it is formed by the siliceous cells. True. Statement A is very true. What about the B? Diatoms are microscopic. Yes, you cannot see diatoms with the naked eye and they float passively in the water currents. So B statement is absolutely correct. So both A and B are correct. By analyzing the option, you can say option 3 is the correct one. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question.